Okay.
I love you. I love you, Mom.
Love you. Ew, John, you look scary. Ew, John, you look scary. Ew, John. Yes, baby. I love you too.
I love you.
I love you too. ¿Qué pinoche de cona? How come you're laughing, smiling like that?
Cause I want to see the frog on my teeth.
You want to see the frogs in your teeth?
In the picture?
How many frogs do you have in your teeth?
2.
2? Where are they?
They die.
They die?
Yes,
And where are they at?
they're on his home.
They're right there? Can you take it back out to see if...
I got it.
Where?
I got him out.
You got him out? How? Oh, you threw him away? How about you, Menace? Do you have frogs in your stomach?
Yep.
You do?
But not in my teeth. On my teeth. And I like that rainbow on your phone.
I have a rainbow on my phone?
Yep.
How do I have a rainbow on my phone?
Because there's a light and I saw a rainbow.
Oh, really? Oh, ooh, ooh. Stop it.
I knew you ready with that.
Don't do that. You're going to get blind.
I'm blind.
Did you tell Menace about that big gani that came out of your ear yesterday?
Yeah.
Can you tell brother what happened? What happened? Tell brother what happened. Brother had a big old gani that came out of brother's ear.
Why?
Let's see if you have any more earwax. Ew, it's all over in your little ears. Don't do that, John. We don't want to have that in there. John, put that away. I don't want that in there. It's only your faces.
Cheese.
Can you stay far from the camera so I can see you both?
Cheese. Cheese.
I love you.
Bye.
Bye. Say bye, John.
Cheese.
Bye.
Say bye, John. Hi. Say bye.